बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अज़ीज़ तलबा, आज कंप्रीहेंशन की एक्सरसाइज नंबर 15 हमारे सिलेबस में है। द कैमल इज राइटली कॉल्ड द शिप ऑफ द डेजर्ट। इट इज़ द बेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट इन डेजर्ट्स। Camels go slow, but they go on walking for hours on the burning sand and in the blazing sun. Camels carry heavy loads, much heavier in weight than any other beast of burden can, while the other animals' feet sink into the sand. But nature has made the feet of camel such that it is not at all difficult for it to walk on sand. The camel is superior to all other animals because it can go without food and drink for days and weeks. It can store food and water. Its hump is a store of food which the camel use when they get nothing to eat and drink for many days. In deserts, only bushes grow here and there, and camel can live on these. क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर है इसके। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई इज कैमल कॉल्ड द शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट। कैमल इज आंसर है, कैमल इज कॉल्ड द शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट बिकॉज इट कैन वॉक ऑन सैंड इजीली विद हैवी लोड्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इज इट फॉर इट्स स्पीड दैट इट इज कॉल्ड द शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट्स। आंसर, नो, इट इज नॉट कॉल्ड द शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट्स फॉर इट्स स्पीड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what difficulty do the other beasts of burden have to face while walking on the sand? Answer है, the feet of other beasts of burden sink into the sand. Next है, why does a camel walk easily on the loose sand of the desert? A camel walk easily on the loose sand of the desert due to its soft foot pads. पांचवा क्वेश्चन है, what special quality makes camel superior to other animals used for transport? आंसर है, camel can go without food and drink for days and weeks. It can store food and water. Question number 6, how does the camel go without food and water for days and weeks? Answer है, the hump of a camel is a store of food and water. Next, what does the camel generally live on? The camel generally lives on desert bushes. Allah Hafiz.